Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Google Cloud project and billing are active, then open Compute Engine. Once done, find the VM instance and copy its name, VPC network, and external IP so you know where to target rules. Next, decide which protocol and port number to open. TCP 8080 or TCP 80 are common. Make sure the VM has a tag you can use for firewall rules, and keep the Cloud Console and a terminal ready. You will act in both places. You now create the firewall rule. In the console, click VPC Network, right arrow Firewall Rules, right arrow Create Rule, or run gcloud Compute Firewall Rules, create My Rule, allow TCP 8080 target tags, web server source range is 0, 0, 0, 0/0. Once done, set the target using the VM's network tag so only tagged instances get access, and assign a priority if needed. Make sure the allowed protocols and ports match the service listening on the VM, and confirm the rule applies to the correct VPC network. You finish by adding the network tag to the VM instance and saving. Restart the VM or reload the service so it binds to the open port. Once done, test from an external machine using curl http://external IP 8080 or telnet/nc external IP 8080 to confirm connectivity. If it fails, check the VM's internal firewall like UFWA or IPtables, ensure the service is listening on 0, 0, 0, 0 not localhost, and verify VPC routes and subnet firewall policies. Those are the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.